Hello YouTube, this is Trayman1993 coming out to you with some pretty cool website here, athearn.com here. Today we're going to be looking at the March announcements thingy here, so let's get started, shall we? Got some cool new reefers here. Northern Pacific, the Swift Company, St. Louis Refrigerator Car Company. Looks like an Illinois Central, I believe. Union Pacific. And the retail prices on this is $29.98. And the pre-orders are due in early March, which is pretty awesome. Let me just zoom in here, guys. Got Pacific Fruit Express for Southern Pacific and Union Pacific. Pure Carbonic Company, American Refrigerator Transit Company. Pretty nice, though. Here's some 33,900 gallon tank cars here. Retail price is only $58.98 and due in early March as well. And the 3-pack are $169.98. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this. The Steel Reefer 3-pack car are $86.98 though, anyways, and it's due on the same month as the tank cars I just showed you. Pretty cool, nice tank cars. Auto carriers, as well as that Kansas City Southern, for an example. And the retail price for the auto racks here, the Automax auto carrier, are $69.98 for the retail price. But when it comes out, or whenever, oops, you might find one of those in hobby stores or something like that. Let me just zoom in real quick. Fuel with 3-axle green trucks here. Retail price only $26.98. And got one with trailer here for only $49.98 here, which is amazing. Some trailers for $49.98. For an example like this UPS here. Pretty cool. N scale here. There's some auto racks carriers here for only $49.98 though, anyways, which is pretty cool. The ACF 2970 hoppers in N scale are $31.98, but the 3-pack is only $89.98. Pretty cool paint schemes like Missouri, Kansas, and Texas, also known as the Caddy. Sometimes these things are just a little bit hectic, a little bit, but oh well. Sorry about that, guys. Here are some N-scale trailers for $49.98. N-scale 33,000-gallon tank cars for only $33.98 for these ones, but the 3-pack is only $95.98. When whenever it comes out, you'll find a cheaper one at the hobby stores or online shops there for example, like trainworld.com or something. And that should be wrapped out for right now. And here's an except here, which it was announced like around 2010 or something, is the ACF 2900 covered hopper in Great Northern paint scheme in N-scale. The retail price for this one is $31.98 and due in early March of 2021, I believe. So, well, that is it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Take care and have a great one. I'll see you on my next vid.